Okay mga idol, umpisa ng laban.
Our fourth win, City of Thailand against Ascent of Days for Scotland. What is that? Bola. Makakasi.
Nawa sila dito. Santa Cruz on the drives. Extra pass to Corpus. Titira ng dos. Short. It's a jumble violation.
Pas lagi. Yo, CP.
Inbound by Santa Cruz to Corpus. Wala. Sakje, titira ng dos. Bang! Wala sabay. Sakje ko Salan. Still by Corpus. Corpus, pick and roll, titira ng dos. Bang! GP Corpus! Defense!
Sudat!
Score mga idol, 4 against 0. Lost the ball. Corpus. GP Corpus on the attack. Wala. Putback of Rocky 7-7. Backdoor sa foul.
Ito na lang isa. Ay, GP.
First challenge of Rocky 7-7. Last throw of Rocky 7-7. Wala pa rin. Bang! What a play by Rocky 7-7! Defense! Defense! (6-0) ang score natin. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tumula.
Inbound by Santa Cruz to Corpus, the power point guard. Corpus, sidestep, titira ng dos. Wala. Sako, Jack Asolom is there. Titira ng dos. Ayaw. Rocky 7-7 for the rebound, for the putback. But there's a foul by jersey number 1.
Ketak ba?
Oh!
Ikutok nawa. Nawa patay.
Yeah! Defense!
Latmat!
Defense!
Duble!
Uli! Duble! Nice line! Uli! Defense! Good! Good job! Nice pass! Wow! official score. 10-0. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 3 seconds for the first quarter. Here we go. CGL Titans versus Jacinto Place Ateneo. Inbound by jersey number 6. Out of bounds. Goal position by Ateneo. Santa Cruz. Traveling ang tinawag na referee.
Hey! Bagay na!
Sack J is there. Up back, up. GP wala pa rin. Wow, wala pa rin shot. Ateneo.
Pas ba? Pasti, aganda!
Santa Cruz, fake and roll. Bang! Wala shot by Santa Cruz.
Pag-isa mas, dito ka mas.
Defense! Dang, 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 dang! Defense! Dang, 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 dang! Huli, 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 huli! Huli! Di! Kaya! Rocky 7-7! O Pulina! Pulina to Jico Salem! Under sa foul. Inbound by Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz to Rocky. Rocky extra pass to Pulina. What a shot by GP Corpus. Nice ka, Jeep! Baba!
Sugata lagi! Sugata! Sugata!
Wala! Rocky is there!
Good! Good! JP!
Whoa! What a shot by Santa Cruz! Defense! Defense! Huli, 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 huli! Corpus on the attack! Wala pa rin! Rocky 7-7 for the rebound! Wala pa rin! Putback of GP! What a shot by GP Corpus! Defense! Defense!
Ayun, lagi!
Step back! Ayaw! Rocky is there! Rocky to Santa Cruz!
Pasti!
19-2 ang score, mga idol!
Pat!
That's the end of the first quarter. Score, mga idol, 19-2. CGL Titans played by 17 points.
Kamu! Pasti!
Back to the ball game. Time for the out. Second quarter. Running score. 19-2. CGL Titans played by 17 points. Inbound by Andagan. Andagan on the drive using the board. Oh, what a shot by CG Andagan.
Isugat!
Nice Sky. Wait, Skyler Barangay. Extra pass to Grid. Wow! What a shot by Ginsa Tao. What a nice pass by Skyler Barangay.
Nice!
Paspas G yung hina-hina G. Paspas G. Andagan, titira ng 3. Bang! 3! Sergi Andagan. Duble! Inbound by jersey number 16 to jersey number 14, De La Cruz. Pasa! Di, kaya, atak! Pasa! Sure win! Ay! Gawas! Paso! Tira Lance! Ayay ka! Huli! Lugo!
8 seconds.
Barangan is there. Long pass to Andagan. Andagan, extra pass to Ginsa Tao. Bang! Wala! Walang tawag yung referee. Sakje, titira. Wala pa rin. Putback. But there's a foul by jersey number 27. Defense!
Oyo!
Ay! Putback of Piscadero. On the traffic. On the shot. Oh! What a shot by Lance Piscadero! Ginsa Tao. But there's a foul by jersey number 14, De La Cruz. Score 29-2 for the second quarter. Defense! Extra pass. Oy! Supal pa lang inabot. Traveling violation ang tinawag na referee.
Ay, daduan ito, Wig!
Huli! Defense! Tawagan ng foul si Lance. Sumabit yung kamay niya. First 33 of jersey number 1 is good. Last throw of jersey number 1 is good again.
Wait, wait!
Andagan. Extra pass. Sobrang lakas.
Wait!
Defense! Defense!
Wait! Ay, kadugay ba ni Wig mo balik?
Bang!
Kaya! Nice.
Extra pass to Barangan. Ibinalik kay Andagan. Wow! Andagan, body pants. Defense! The lucky charm. Extra pass to Ginsa Tao. Papunta kay Andagan, titira ng dos. Bang! Wala shot by CG Andagan. Defense! De La Cruz. Papunta kay Andagan. Extra pass to Barangan, titira ng dos. Woy, wala. Wait, papunta kay De La Cruz. Wala pa rin. Wait for the putback. Ayaw pa rin. Score mga idol, 32-8.
Yo, sa aplikasyon!
Andagan, wala. De La Cruz!
Ako bang sa pula!
Dio, wala steal by Santa Cruz for the fadeaway shot. Wala. Scramble. Andagan down on the floor. Extra pass to Ginsa Tao. Ibinalik kay Skyler Barangan. Bang! Wala play by Skyler Barangan. Defense. Defense.
Ayan lagi. Doble. Diretso nyo! Diretso nyo! Sige lang, sige.
Kalayo, bantayin na yo.
Hey!
Last loop, jersey number 14, De La Cruz is good. Wala play by George Franco, De La Cruz. Defense. Huli. Ginsa Tao. Papunta kay CJ Andagan. CJ Andagan on the drive using the board. Wala. Barangan is there. Wala pa rin. Ginsa Tao. Ay, sobrang lakas. Score mga idol, 38-9.
Doble, Sky!
But there's a foul. Jersey number 20, first charity throw is missed. Last throw of jersey number 20 is good. That's the end of the second quarter. Official score. 38-10. CGL Titans led by 28 points for the second half. Okay mga idol, time for the second half. Official score 38 against 10 for the third quarter. Still by Ramel. But number 4 foul. First team foul. Jacinto Ateneo. Marquiso on the attack. Not this time. Jersey number 7. Huli. Marquiso to Ramel. Wala pa rin. Marquiso save the ball. Side step of Casuno. 3 seconds ang tinawag na referee. Marqueso on the drives. Sobrang lakas. It's a foul by DG Sandegan. Wow! Ilisan, number 1, wala. Put back of number 27, not this time. Number 1, Ilisan, grabs for rebound on the dribble. On the attack, on the shot. Sayang, di pumasok. First charity throw, Mr. Ilisan. Hindi pumasok. Last throw of Mr. Ilisan, jersey number 1. Wala. Big rebound by Ramil. So jersey number 27. Good. Score score mga idol, 38-12. Casono, ibinalik kay Marquiso, sobrang lakas.
Hasol. Doble.
Supalpal ang inabot.
Dua.
Casono for the 16.5 perimeter. Hindi pumasok. Castro, Jenson, Casono, ayaw pa rin. Big rebound by Ramel for the putback. Wala pa rin.
Sugat.
Ilisan, titira ng 3. Short. Rebound by Marquiso. The power point guard. Fake and roll by Sandigan. Wala. There's a foul against jersey number 17. Competition rip out jersey number 4 and jersey number 20. Still by Marquiso on the drive using the board. Not this time. Marquiso again. Extra pass to Dynamite DG Sandigan. Titira ng dos. Sablay. There's a foul against Ramil. Still by Casono to Marquiso. Lost the ball. It's a line violation. Timeout Jacinto de Ateneo. Okay, back to the ball game. Time for the timeout. Official score, 38-12. Yon ang score ng idol, oh. Ilisan. The big baby on the attack. Wala, sobrang lakas. The big baby again, titira ng dos. Wala pa rin. Marquiso grabs for the rebound. Marquiso, extra pass to the slim repair, Casono, titira ng dos. Wala. It's a loose ball. Ball's position by Ateneo. Huli. Wow! Hipos for the steal. DJ Hipos. Nakuha ni jersey number 1. Tinawagan ng foul si Marquiso. First charity drop, Mr. Ilisan. Hindi pumasok. Last throw, Mr. Ilisan. Ayaw pa rin. Marquiso, sigla mo.
Grabe na.
Oh, what a spin. Wow. Sayang. Oh, what a shot by Ramel. Wow! What a finish! What a strong finish!
Ayaw lagi talikod lagi. Kuha ba? Uy, kuha ba? Ayaw talikod.
Marquiso on the dribble. Marquiso on the attack. Extra pass to Hipos. Sobrang lakas. Marquiso is there for the putback. Whoa! What a shot by Marquiso! Defense!
Goy.
Last throw of jersey number 34 is good. Ramel, titira ng dos. Bang! What a shot by Didi Sandigan. Ramel, wala. Putback of Ramel, wala pa rin. Marquiso is there. Marquiso, pick and roll. There's a foul. First carry throw of Mr. Marquiso is good. Last throw of jersey number 17, Marquiso. Wala. Loose ball position by CGL Titans. Score 41-13. That's the end for the third quarter. Inbound by Corpus. Corpus for 3. Short.
Bago pagani. Sugatan lagi sak.
Pulina. Matmat Pulina. Lost the ball. Pick up by jersey number 20. Down on the floor. Everybody down on the floor. It's a jumble violation. Ball's position by Jacinto Place Ateneo. Inbound by Castro. Castro to De La Cruz. De La Cruz on fake. But there's a foul against Santa Cruz.
Bago na lagi dayon. Pabili na lang.
Bang! John Sebastian Santa Cruz, aka the BBP's assassin for 2. Still by Corpus, not this time. Whoa! What a shot by Elsa. Santa Cruz. Extra pass to Pulina for 2. Oh! What a shot by Matmat Pulina. Elisan, 1-on-1 defense by Corpus. Elisan, airball. Elisan to Castro. Castro lost the ball for jersey number 0. Still by Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz po, the Splash Brother on the attack. Whoa! What a shot by the Splash Brothers. Rocky 7-7 on the drives. Wala. Elisan for the rebound.
Tamat. Nice. Dip. Ayo pabi.
Whoa, what a shot.
That's it, Jim.
Number 14. Elisan, titira ng 3. Bang! Wala. Big rebound by again sa Taong. Bang! What a shot by Wilkins sa Taong.
Sugata ba? Sugata!
Ilisan for 3, short. De La Cruz, ibinalik kay Andagan, titira ng 3. Hindi tinamaan ng ring. Ilisan, steal. Pescadero, titira ng 2, short. Barangay.
Bola.
Lumabas. Wade is there. Bang! Jersey number 27. Defense. Sa tao, reverse flat. Ayaw. Ilisan, the big BB. Still by. Sa tao, extra pass to Wade. Whoa! Wala shot by Wade.
Ay, nagpadili na po si Siggy.
De La Cruz, extra pass to. Grabe.
Hey!
Wala shot by De La Cruz. Jersey number 5.
Dead.
Score mga idol, 57-24 for the final quarter. Inbound by Marqueso. Marqueso to Ramel. Ramel, extra pass to Marqueso. Herrera. Lakas. Marqueso inbound. It's a lost ball by Ramel. Marqueso on the drive, sidestep, bang! What a shot by Marqueso. Last stop, Mr. Jansen Casulo. Steal by Marqueso, extra pass to Casulo, wala. Marqueso is there to Sandigan, pick and roll on the drive by Sandigan, extra pass to Hipos. Hipos back to Ramel. Ramel to Marqueso, titira ng 3.
Good.
Hipos.
Wala.
Marqueso. Wala pa rin. Ayaw talaga pumasok ang tira ni Marqueso. DG Hipos, pick and roll. Sayang, inabot. Marqueso is there. Extra pass. Tawag ng traveling violation. Defense! Oh, pumasok na ang tira ni Marqueso. Defense! Marqueso is there. Again. Elisan on the drive. Elisan.
Sugata.
on the traffic, still by Marquiso. Marquiso on the drives. Wow! What a shot by Marquiso. Jersey number 20 on the attack. Not this time. Oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, oh yo.
Ayaw, man!
Kwayo! 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 Ah, uyo! 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 Imo na yo! Imo na yo! Uyo! Uyo! Imo na yo! Imo na yo! Imo na yo! Uyo! Palisan, titira ng 3, short! Putback of number 27, ayaw pa rin! Casuno is there! Side step, Sandigan on the attack! Wala! Hipos, extra pass to Sandigan. Sandigan papunta kay Casuno, titira ng 2. Bang! Aaron Johnson, Casuno! Ramel. Last 1 minute. Last throw, jersey number 27. Kanayo, imo na yo, imo na yo, imo na yo. Ilisan. To the BB Gang, titira ng 3. Ayaw. Seconds to play, last 25 seconds. Hipos on the traffic. To sa Casuno Porto, wala. De La Cruz is there. Papunta kay CD Sandigan, fake. Pabalik ang bola kay Ramel. Ramel on the attack. Oh,
Goy, pasa, Goy, pasa, pasa.
last 10 seconds. Defense, Ilisan. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Winner! CGL Titans! Maraming salamat mga idol sa panonood mga idol.
Ito na.
At magbabalik kami mga idol. Congrats team! Congrats! Maraming salamat sa panonood mga idol. The score is 67-25. Yon, doon po tayo nagtatapos mga idol. 67-25.
Jersey number 7, Purple!